Hey everyone, it's Deb. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to input recurring payments into your expense tracker. It's super simple, and if you do it this way, it won't interfere with any new data that you input in the future. So I have my expense tracker and expense form open in different tabs, and as you can see here, I already have some data input into my tracker that shows up in my dashboard. We're going to go into our expense list, and I have 3 examples already here. You may have more, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to write the date of the recurring payment, which for me would be the 1st of the 1st, 2021. It could be the 15th for you or the 30th. Just put in the accurate date for you. Then I'm going to input the date for February. For me, because I'm Australian, it will be the 1st of the 2nd, 2021. But if you're American, for example, it would be 02/01, 2021. Select both the January and February dates that you just made, then drag it all the way down so you have all the months until December. Then in your item column, type in your description. Mine will be Netflix. Drag it down. Then input your amount. For me, it'll be $10.99. Then drag it down. Then type in your category. Mine is under subscriptions. Then drag it all down. Then, as you can see here, if you go to your monthly expenses, it all shows up. But there's one last thing we have to do. Go back to your expenses list, select all the data you just added, and drag it above one line. We have to do this to prevent Google Forms overriding the data that you just added. Now let's test it out. Go to your expense form, select your date. I'm going to type in example 4, then $50, then I'll put it under groceries, and then press submit. Then if we go to our expense tracker, the example 4 that we just added carries on at the bottom without affecting the recurring payments that we just created. And that is my tutorial on how to add recurring expenses. Subscribe to my channel below for more tutorials, or follow me on my Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram if you want to get updates as soon as I make them. I'll see you next time.